market is sideways all morning since market opened today. This is ES on August 9th. I just took a long trade. The reason is, apologies for the sound from signal. The reason is that two ways. The confluence is one, there is a long consolidation happening. Let me show you here. A long consolidation happening right here in this range, and then it broke out and then retested here on the price action based supply and demand system. And also the important confluence is you can see those supply demand. It's the same price range where we had the, can you see right here, because it's hiding under the order, but I'm going to pull it out. Can you see those liquidity zones? It just got broken. Okay, let me maximize for a second. All right, so if now let me see, can you see right now there was a liquidity zone, strong liquidity zone built up. Eventually it was broken and then pulled back. Now that's why we took the breakout trade. And also I had that stop below this. You see this green liquidity zone, demand liquidity zone. I hit my stop below this buyer's liquidity zone. So, and I do not have, I have some kind of resistance right here. When the price get there, I will move it to break even to make sure it does not push it price the back down. So again, the reason is that confluence is the liquidity zone was broken and then the demand was formed right here. Same way, if you look at the price action based supply and demand system, where the supply was broken and then like went up and retested the same area. So when the both systems are agreeing with the it's not like agreeing with the trade, is agreeing with the setup of strongest resistance was broken and retested in the same place. That's the setup we're looking for. And then make sure you hide your stop behind the next liquidity. That's what we have right here, hiding the stop behind the liquidity. And then you are going to have your price action towards the next liquidity zone. But right here, this is where the 54th 53 54 53 54, I think, almost here is the next highest liquidity zone right here. But when it get there, we'll try to move it, tighten the stop. For now, hold the ground and see what happens. Usually when it comes to the choppy days, I try to trade on the, when the market is have no direction at all, don't have any trend, it's just moving sideways. Always be patient and then try to take on the edges. What do you mean by that? Look at those NQ right here. This is the range we see here and there. Anytime the price goes there, if you see the price action confirms bounce, you can take the shot. So that is one trade I always take on the range days. But in this case, I feel like it's gonna it did break out, and then maybe it will go for the next swing high. That's why I kept my target over there. But we have to wait and see how it plays out. It's just a patience game for now, and then we'll see. Um, if it does not bounce on this liquidity zone, then we are in trouble. But I'm hoping it will bounce somewhere here and then go back to the direction of the breakout, because if you can see here, there is no liquidity until this particular region. There is not much liquidity, so I think there is no resistance as such. This is the confirmed resistance right now. So we have the range between the confirmed resistance here, the red and then the green. This is where the range is, and then we'll decide based on the momentum or like a price direction for now. But primarily we took the trade based on this breakout, this particular breakout. A lot of liquidity was broken, and then price is going a little bit sideways. I want to see which direction the price is going to go. these two systems, even though it's a breakout trade, look at that, it's moving right now. That's good. Even though it's like a breakout trade, but here it's based on level one data. It does just looking at the past historical bounces and then the price action, giving you the breakout trade. Whereas here it's purely based on the liquidity, level two market order flow, the limit orders. That's what it's this is based on. So when the both systems have the confluence, I think that's a better confirmation for us to take. You can see right now it's struggling right on this highest liquidity 316. That's broken. Now it's shifted to this particular range. You see this right now? When it's getting brighter, that's a dangerous sign for us. That means getting stronger. But for now, I'm going to move my stop a little bit tighten, so that like even if it pulls back, I don't want to be in trouble. So I'm going to make it like really tight, just a tick. All right there. Maybe I'm too close. I need to put it like, yeah, right there. All right, so now we have to wait and see the price action movement. But worst case worst, I am covered with my break even. Even if the price come back and hit my stop loss, I'm not going to lose anything. Now the trade is break even, no loss point, but only look for what is the best price to exit the trade at this point. That's what I'm looking for. For me, everything is based on the price action. I'm going to look up here. What's the price action? Tell me. It also broke the current supply level. It's moving up, but here the next resistance is right here. So I think it might go right here, but we'll wait and see. The example that I'm trying to show you here is the confluence. Exact price line, the liquidity resistance, and then the price action resistance are happening, and then when it breaks out and retested the same place, that's why I like it in terms of it's happening in the both exact places. But make sure you hide your stop behind the liquidity. If you don't find, if I don't find this green to hide my liquidity, I would not take it, because I need a place to hide my stop. The green is the confirmed buyer's liquidity. That's why I had to put my stop here until the price moves up to move to break even. Sometimes it breaks out, you don't find the buyer's liquidity to hide your stop, then you are at high risk in the trade. All right, so let's be patient, because it's sideways market, it can still come down, go to the bottom of that range, because for me the range is right here. So I'm hoping the range will go all the way up, and then I can close a little bit. But the range, if you can also see, there is a trend. Always look for the micro trends also. Look at this micro trend. It is hitting the micro trend right here. Do you see this? It is hitting the micro trend, but I'm hoping it will break. So I'm hoping it will break. Wait and see. Let's be a little bit patient. When the market sideways, I think that's the thing. There is nobody have any power to be create a trend. Both buyers and sellers are in equal mode right now. It's trying to reverse, but let's see. Let's be a little bit confident. But because the reason is that we are in the break-even mode, worst case worst is not going to come back and hit your. You're going to lose it. Not going to lose anything. So that's why I'm holding my ground. If you want to come back and hit my stop, I'm fine, because I'm not going to lose anything. But if you're going to even come close and then bounce back, I'll be happy. That's fine. But now it's a lot of liquidity building up right here. That's above my stop. That's the only problem right now. Even the price action is going up. It's kind of reversing a little bit in even the price action here.
Stop filled.